Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover how to purchase and book Titan Professional Services hours. Professional Services hours are hours that you may be interested in purchasing for assistance with matters that are not covered in your normal customer service contract. For example, if you need assistance in setting up a web portal or in merging data from Salesforce to a Titan document, setting up a Titan signature project, etc. Here you can engage a Titan professional to assist in those matters. Go to formtitan.com, log into your account, go to the My Account tab, and to the Professional Services sub-tab. Here you will see information on professional services hours that your account is allocated or that you have purchased. In this case, because this is a trial account, I have 0. You will also see the number of hours total that you have used. To purchase more professional services hours, click the Buy More button, make your selection, and follow the steps. If you have professional services hours available, from this tab you can also book a 30 or 60-minute session with a Titan professional services representative. In the section below, you will see information on the sessions that you have used and what transpired. And that is how it's done.